Morning. My name is M. Narasimha Rao, lecturer in physics. Today, I am explaining one numerical from oscillations chapter which was given in April 2019 online exam. A simple pendulum oscillating in air has a time period capital T. The bob of the pendulum is completely immersed in a non-viscous liquid. The density of the liquid is 1/16th of the material of the bob. If the bob is inside the liquid all the time, its period of oscillation in this liquid is, according to the given condition, initially the simple pendulum is in air. At that time, its time period is capital T. Now I am talking if the simple pendulum is in air. This is the simple pendulum. It is oscillating in air. To complete one oscillation, it is taking some time. That time we are calling as a time period. When the simple pendulum is oscillating in air, its time period is capital T. Time period is equal to capital T. Length of the pendulum is L. Length of the pendulum is equal to L. After some time, the same simple pendulum is immersed in the liquid. Now I am talking about the liquid. Same simple pendulum is present inside the liquid. Simple pendulum is present inside the liquid. Then what is the time period? Now please listen here. When the simple pendulum is present inside the liquid, length of the pendulum does not changes. Length of the pendulum is L. Length of the pendulum is L. Length of the pendulum is equals to capital L. If this pendulum is oscillating inside the liquid, what is the time period they are asking? T2 is the time period of simple pendulum inside the liquid. They have given one condition. Density of the liquid is equal to 1/16th of density of the material of the bob. This bob is made of metal. Metal is nothing but solid. Density of this liquid is equal to 1/16th of density of this material of the bob. It is nothing but a metal sphere. Metal means a solid. Density of the liquid is equal to 1/16th of density of this solid. ds comes to denominator. dl by ds is equal to 1/16. If the simple pendulum is oscillating in the liquid, inside the liquid, acceleration due to gravity formula, acceleration due to gravity inside the liquid. Acceleration due to gravity inside the liquid. Formula G into 1 minus dl by ds, that is equal to G into 1 minus dl by ds. dl by ds means 1 by 16. dl by ds means 1 by 16. G into 16 1 just 16. 16 1 just 16 minus 1 15 by 16. This is the acceleration due to gravity inside the liquid. Time period of the pendulum. Time period of the pendulum inside the liquid is time period of the pendulum. Time period of the pendulum. Time period of a pendulum inside the liquid. Inside the liquid is, we are having the formula. Time period in the liquid is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G into 1 minus dl by ds. Time period in the liquid is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G into 1 minus dl by ds. G into 1 minus dl by ds, nothing but 15g by 16. This total term is equals to 15g by 16. 15g by 16. 15g by 16. Now, 2 pi into under root of L by G. L by G under root of 16 by 15. Time period inside the liquid is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G. 2 pi into, in air, time period is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G. This is the time period in air. Now this is the time period in air. This term represents a time period in air. Now 2 pi into under root of L by G represents time period in air. This term is equal to capital T. This term is equal to capital T. 16 root 4 divided by root 15. This is the time period of the simple pendulum inside the liquid.